Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 3rd of March 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, French power utility Engie aims to become, quote, the best utility in the energy transition, according to Chief Executive Catherine McGregor as the company delivered its annual results from 2024. Engie is targeting 95 gigawatts of installed renewable and storage capacity by 2030. To achieve this, Engie will deploy an ambitious investment plan of 21 billion to 24 billion euros over the next 3 years. 75% of their investments will be dedicated to renewables, batteries, and power networks between 2025 and 2027. Electricity from renewable sources provided for over half of Ireland's total demand in February, according to provisional data from grid operator EirGrid. Wind power alone supplied almost half of the country's electricity needs, accounting for just over 48% of all electricity used in Ireland. Total generation from wind energy amounted to 1,411 gigawatt-hours over the month, which saw a new peak wind power record set on Thursday, the 13th of February. Eurus Energy America Corporation and Toyota Gosei North America Corporation enter into a 10-year purchase and sale agreement for renewable energy certificates from the repowered 179-megawatt Bull Creek Wind Project in Texas. The Bull Creek Wind Project will be undergoing a repower, with full completion of the repowering construction expected to be completed by the end of 2025. The repowering construction efforts shall be under the direction of Deutsche Windtechnik through an agreement with Bull Creek Wind. Lawmakers in Congress are considering repealing financial incentives for clean energy in order to fund other priorities of the Trump administration. In Nebraska, startup funding for wind and solar projects is on the line, as well as hundreds of jobs. Right now, Nebraska is 47th in the nation for its amount of installed solar power infrastructure. Research shows removing clean energy tax credits would increase residential electricity bills by 9% and cost the state more than 2,000 jobs. Gas and electricity bills will rise again for millions of UK households on April 1st, when the latest energy price cap takes effect. A typical household will pay £111 more per year. Expensive gas, which is called on to make up for the loss of wind or solar generation, ends up setting the electricity price on most days. However, technologies already exist which could help to offset those cost increases. A smarter grid with fewer bottlenecks, along with more interconnections to other European countries, which would provide load balancing, as well as battery solutions which can store electricity both for short periods or for days are needed. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.